Hello students, welcome to your English class. This is your English notebook. Today we will revise sound of O. Letter O sound is O. Okay, so we will write here sound of O. Okay students, so you write neat and clean. This is your classwork. So let's start. P, ot, pot. R, ot, rot. H, ot, hot. K, ot, cot. L, og, log. F, og, fog. H, og, hog. D, og, dog. Okay students, do this work neat and clean. Bye bye, have a nice day.